Well, time has come. No guts, no glory.
Right. Like
Wow. A quarter throttle, I just... Right, no ailerons, Nick. I'm like, hey, it's not turning, Phil. All right, rudder. That's right, rudder. Once again, here I am, trying to bank hard with the wrong stick. Man, I gotta train my thumb so bad.
yeah, you can tell it's way lighter. It has a way better glide ratio.
It's windy for sure.
Pretty variable wind, it looks like.
I go up a little higher.
Part of the peril when you get down here by the field, it's more turbulent. Yeah, visibility's great.
Well, rudder's really responsive when I use it. That was wide open.
Yeah, that's plenty of power.
Okay, spoiler. Full. Okay, I got full spoiler.
Okay.
Ho ho.
Nice.
Planted.